He built a company from nothing. Then he walked away from everything and started again from zero.
The land belongs to me, the building belongs to me, the people already know me very well. Within a day, you have to step out from that company and start a new company.
Most people spend their lives building one company. Nimesh Desai chose to build two, not because he had to, because he refused to compromise on his values.
He is extremely high in his morals and principles, and that is something which I always tend to learn from him.
He wasn't born into business. He came from a humble family in Mumbai, an engineer who believed manufacturing could contribute to the nation. One opportunity in 1998 became the beginning of his entrepreneurial journey. For 20 years, he built.
After separating from the company, we again with the zero. My son, my wife came together. My wife supported me and she told me strongly that we had nothing when we started and we have created such a 250 people company with a 50 crore of turnover. We start again, there is nothing to worry about it.
We thought that we could make of what we have available, and we had a lot of experience from the previous venture. So I thought I'll start something new, and then once it is taken ahead, we'll see how it progresses basically.
Father and son, one carrying experience, the other carrying belief. Together, they started TechEra, and just as the company began to find its feet, the world stopped. COVID hit.
We spend all money to survive the TechEra and to hold on till the COVID gone. We never allow anyone to go out of the company. We never tell anyone to go.
IDBI's investment kept the company breathing. What came after changed everything.
That money has worked as an oxygen for us. From that point of time, the game changed completely.
Today, TechEra stands among India's trusted aerospace manufacturing companies. But that isn't the achievement. The achievement is having the courage to begin again and proving that some companies are built with machines, others are built with values.
The first product we built in Bangalore HAL, we won the quality award. Now we are the most trusted partner in the HAL.